Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jojo and let's have a quick and solid update on the crypto market. Okay, so first let's look at these Bitcoin chart right here on 12-hour time frame. And what you see right here, this is pretty much, okay, let's close the RSI for a second. What you see right here, what I draw, the support and resistance, I drew this on December 10th. If you knew my Chinese Mandarin YouTube channel, you can see that I have drew this already on back in December 10th. But right now, I think this 85k area successfully consolidate right here and accumulated right here. And then now we're making a reversal and heading to the 99k resistance. Why I keep mentioning this, like this is a 98 100k zone is the resistance for this decade bounce. Also this decade bounce is kind of the halftime for the bear market, and this is a must go through for every like bear market. So I'm very confident this is going to happen. And so you might be very curious about why I keep mentioning this. So let me show you 4 different bear market in Bitcoin history. So I'm going to show you right here. You need to look at the RSI right here. So every time, this is the 2-week time frame. Every time we enter a bear market, it means the RSI will drop below 50 first, and second, and you will drag the fast moving average, this orange line, below 50 as well. So this only happened 4 times in Bitcoin history, and every time this happens, and it signals that the market is in a bear market, and it has a very clear structure, as you can see right here. And what we're looking at right now is that every time this happens, this both RSI and fast moving average drop below 50, you will see we will have this kind of right here. See the price will have a bounce. We have a quick decade bounce to this white line, and this EMA white line is EMA 20 for the 2-week time frame. And it happens in 2014 bear market. Also, let's check the 2018 bear market. So this is 2018 bear market, and every time we enter a bear market, okay, good, RSI drop below 50, and now the orange moving average drop below 50, and now what's happening here? You see, okay, the price have a decade bounce again back to the EMA white line, which is EMA 20 moving average, and it reaches back, and then the halftime is over, breaks over. Now what? Bear market second half continues. Okay, then let's look at the next bear market, which is in 2022. So right here you see another bear market. So bear market started, drop below 50, and the orange moving average drop below 50 as well. Now what? Now we have a decade bounce. The price jump back, which is so-called in a financial term, we call it a mean reversion. So the price will climbing back to EMA 20 again, and then we continue the second half of bear market again. This is something necessary for every bear market to go through. I think even though you don't want to believe this, you have to believe that like this is some kind of precaution. If like there's a lot of late shorts jump in for the market maker, for the whale, it's really hard for them to make any profit if they just keep dumping the market all the way to target. So they must have a stopping point in the middle and make some kind of decade bounce to squeeze those late shorts. So I think this is what happened. I'm pretty sure this is what's happening right now, as we you see. Okay, finally, okay, doesn't this look familiar? See. So I'm pretty sure this is what happened right now. We're heading toward this 99k area, which is the EMA 20, where EMA 20 is sitting right here. Okay, also, okay, another thing I want to show you very interestingly is if we check a 3-day time frame. If we check a 3-day time frame for every bear market, the halftime bear market, you will see the target is actually right around the Kellner channel. So this is the Kellner channel. So let me close the EMA ribbon real quick. So this is the Kellner channel. On 3-day time frame, you see this is the inner upper channel. See, so every time we have decade bounce, they also reach this area right here. So this will be the target for the decade bounce. Also right here, see, it reaches again. See, the upper inner band for Kellner channel. Okay, let's check the bear market in 2022. You see, this is again, it reached the upper inner band of Kellner channel again on the 3-day time frame. So what's going to happen right now? I'm pretty sure this is what we're looking at. So right now the Kellner channel keeps falling, okay, as the price accumulate down there. So I think right now you see, if we mark the price on, sorry, let me switch to 2-week time frame real quick. So 2-week time frame, the EMA is sitting around this white line, sitting around 99k. So this moved really slow low. Okay, remember that. Now we're moving back. So 99K is right here. So now I can switch back to the Bitcoin chart I had normally use. So you see, this is right here. This is where two-week EMA is sitting right here, 99K. And now I switch to on the 3-day time frame. You see this now, this Kelder channel upper inner band is closing in almost overlay on this price zone. Also, if you look at volume profile, this is really important right here. Now you see all three of them are coming to this place. So this is the target. Trust me, this will be the target for this decade bounce. Okay. So remember, this is the target we're looking for. Once we reach this area, is the time to sell. It's time to sell. And then I think the market will continue crash toward I'm not sure where. I will do some research later, but I'm pretty sure there will be a second half of a bear market. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right here. Okay, so now that's pretty much about my research on the structure of bear market, all the Bitcoin bear market in history. But okay, so let's go back to 12-hour time frame, and you can see right now I think we are about to leave this I call it like a super squeeze condition. This blue, you see this blue background right here. I mean, we can close the RSI. So this blue background, whenever we enter this, it means market is in a very super squeeze. The band is squeezing. Okay, really consolidating condition. So right now we are seeing this white line start to showing. Okay, so this is a good sign. This actually means that we are about to leave. About this, we are going the band is about to have an expansion really soon. So I believe this is what we about going to see in the next probably 1 or 2 days. I mean, it's already started, so it should happen real quick. So I mean, right now the band is expanding and trying to get out of this super squeezing condition. I would say freezing condition. Okay, see, I use the blue for a reason. So yeah, there's no point to make any trade right here, because right now I think the price will jump real quick. After all, you see the 3-day time frame. I just show you the 3-day Kelder channel and the 2-week EMA are already overlaid on each other. So I think the price will move real quick in the next probably 3 to 6 days and try to reach to 99K. It wouldn't take long. It shouldn't, as I say, it shouldn't take long. If it take long, it would change the whole structure for the whole money flow on every time frame. And so the market maker, they will move the price really quickly in the next 3 to 60 days. So be prepared.